Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin Hippo, and welcome to Hasty Hippo Hints, where I'm going to teach you tips and tricks of the reselling trade in under 5 minutes. Let's get to it. So, yesterday I showed you guys how to set up your store categories. Well, today we're going to talk about your keywords. So, you attach keywords to your categories that help you with your search engine rankings. When you add categories to your store, eBay automatically and arbitrarily adds keywords to that category, and they don't even always make sense. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's say I set up a new category called computers. When I go over here on the left-hand side, under store management, store design, almost all the way to the bottom, search engine keywords, and click that, it will show you what keywords have been set up for your categories. Now, I just added computers, and I told you guys that eBay will arbitrarily add these keywords, and they don't even make sense. It's like their system just grabs random titles or items from your store and tosses them in here as keywords. So we have for computers, the search engine keywords are Santa's tender moment, greetings from Santa, Pittsburgh Pirates. I mean, you can just kind of like look through here and see these oddball Ocean City, Maryland beer mug. These are not keywords people will be searching for when they're looking for computers. So it is important that you come in here to this search engine keywords and edit your keywords for your store so that the right keywords are in here. So when people are searching these keywords, your items are showing up in their results. If they're looking for computers, they are not going to be typing in Santa's tender moment. But if they're looking for board and card games, they might be looking for Skippo, Uno, Star Wars, Clue, or Monopoly. So when they put in these keywords, anything in my category has more likely of a chance to show up in their results. The one thing you want to keep in mind is you don't want to put in keywords of items you do not have. You do not want to spam keywords. You do not want to put in items that you don't typically have or brands that you don't have just in hopes of showing up in search engine results. That is a bad practice. You want to only include in the keywords items you actually have in the store or you have often enough that even if you ran out, you would soon have more. Do not put in Eileen Fisher under your women's dresses if you don't have any Eileen Fisher dresses, and you never do. That is just a bad practice to get into, and it's called keyword spamming. eBay can come down on you for that. So you want to be honest in your keywords. Put in stuff that you actually have. So if someone is looking for a collectible shot glass and they type that in, they're going to see what you have. I guess I should show you how to do it real quick. So you just go over here on the right for each category. Your store front page you want to make sure you set first. And here on the right you click that. And you just want to put in stuff that you mostly carry in your store. It's taking a while, sorry. Oh my goodness. So you get to have this many keywords, 7. So this is my store main page. It probably needs updated, but you want to put mostly what you have in your store. So if you sell clothing, women's jeans and stuff down, you just put what you mainly have. And that's for the store front. Then within each of the categories individually, you can go in and edit them like so, and you would push save each time and just kind of go through and update your keywords. They are very, very important. As you can see, if I actually did sell computers, my computers are not showing up in people's search results because these aren't keywords they're looking for. So it is important to have the right keywords. The other thing I wanted to add is it does take about 30 days to see a difference. So if you change your keywords this weekend, and you get them all good to go. It's going to be about 30 days until eBay updates these keywords on your items and the Google algorithms update these keywords. So don't expect overnight results. It does take about 30 days to catch up, but I would recommend getting them fixed sooner rather than later so that you have a better chance of selling your items. Thank you for joining us today on Hasty Hippo Hints. If you liked this video, please do me a favor and smash the like button down below. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.